और 1 bounce 4. दो फील्डर को कैप में से चौका मार लिया। बढ़िया प्रयास था, फिलहाल रोक नहीं पाया और एक चौका, और ये CAG अपने जीत दर्ज करने में कामयाब।
Chasing 140, I think our plan was to, as in with Swapnil and Jassi, our openers, we just wanted to, keep on batting, as in not go for any extraordinary shots. Just keep up the run rate, Just it would have been okay if, it was only 6 per over. Yeah. But they did very well. It was 7 per over as per the required run rate. From there on, I think Salvi batted. He played some brilliant shots. And even I chipped in some runs. So.
Right. Swapnil, chasing 140 does not look great in 2020. So, was there a comfort factor that yes, we can achieve this target really?
We always knew that we could achieve it if we were going to play a natural game. But then 140 is always a tricky score to chase. So obviously we had to keep wickets intact. The way they started, and then we thought we were going to chase somewhere around 180, 190. But then the way our bowlers came back into the game, and the way we fielded, it was really creditable the way bowlers bowled. And then obviously the batsmen, both of us and everyone else took on the game from there.